Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious omelet without onion. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 or 3 large eggs, a small amount of butter or oil, and salt and pepper. A good non-stick pan, around 8 inches, is also essential for a perfect omelet. This simple base allows for many variations. Next, let's prepare the eggs. Crack 2 or 3 eggs into a bowl. Add a small pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Whisk them vigorously with a fork or whisk for about 30 seconds. You want them to be light and slightly frothy, but don't overmix. Resist the urge to add milk or water. It's not needed for a traditional omelet. Now for the cooking. Heat your 8-inch non-stick pan over medium heat. Add about 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter is melted and slightly foamy, pour in your whisked eggs. Let them sit for a few seconds, then gently push the cooked edges towards the center, tilting the pan to let uncooked egg flow underneath. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes until mostly set. Finally, it's time to add your favorite fillings. Sprinkle your chosen ingredients, like shredded cheese or fresh herbs, onto 1/2 of the omelet. Once the eggs are mostly set but still slightly moist on top, use a spatula to gently fold the omelet in half. Slide it onto a plate and serve immediately for the best taste and texture. Enjoy your delicious, onion-free omelet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.